Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can fetch data from connected modules in Zoho CRM. So for my example, I have three modules connected to each other. I have accounts module, which contains the details of the client, including address. I have case module. Both of these are standard modules. Then I have a custom module called Lift PM Inspections. My Lift PM Inspection module is connected to case as well as accounts. But the process is that user links the the case module to Lift PM Inspections module, and system should fetch the related account and its address on my Lift PM Inspection module. This is my Lift PM Inspection module. I have case here, I have account, I have certain address fields here, a street, the street to zip, city, state, and country. So the process is that once a user is creating a Lift PM inspections record, time of creation, or after the record is created, the user will edit the record and they will link the case. And now because that case is linked to an account, and that account has the address, so system should automatically populate the related account here and the address here. So for an example, I have a case here. This is my case, and this case is linked to this company My Dubai, and this is account My Dubai. It has address, this is the address, billing street. Actually, I'm taking billing address for this demonstration, and I don't have a street too, so I just have five fields: street, city, state, code, which is zip code, and billing country. And I have these fields available on my this custom module Lift PM inspection. So this field will not be updated, but these five fields will be updated along with account name. So now what happens, a user creates the record. Let's say this is the last name. This is just all of these are custom fields for demonstration purpose. So then I have just created this record for an example here. So my all these fields are empty. Now if I go back, I'll see my this case. I have a case which says subject is mobile phone is not working, and this case is linked to my account, My Dubai account, and this My Dubai account has these address fields. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to edit this record case. I'm going to choose my case, mobile phone is not working, and save. I just wait a moment. If you see, the account name is updated as My Dubai, and if you scroll down, the address is also updated. This is my street, this is zip, this is city, state, and country. So this is how it works. And now a little bit of the backend, how it works. So this is the deluge script which I am using to perform this action, and I'm using this deluge script in a workflow rule. So I have a workflow rule which I created. This is my workflow rule. So I'm triggering this workflow rule whenever a record is created or edited, and I'm repeating it to check the latest case, because if in any case a case is updated here, so if I may have some other case linked here, that is probably linked to some other account, so system should fetch the exact and accurate details in that case. Then this is my function, and this is the function. So a bit about how my custom function is working. So I am taking the argument as my Lift PM inspection module ID, because that is the prime module which is supposed to be updated, and from which I have to also find the relationship, the starting point of relationship, the case module. Then this is a script. Here I am finding the inspection record. Then I'm here finding the record ID of case. Then here I'm taking the case record. In this line I am finding account, and here I am finding the account record. Then I'm fetching the detail of address. I've created a map to map all of these values, and here I'm updating my record. So let's take another example. Let's say I have a new account. This is my Google account, and this is going to be the address for an example. So my account record is created. I'm going to create a new case quickly. So this is a case. Now I am going to create a new Lift PM inspection module. And I'm just saving it. I'm not choosing case now. I'm just saving it. Okay. Now because I mean I have no case link, so no update. No, I mean no field is updated. I'm going to choose now my case as issue in motor, and that's it. You just hold on for a second, so system will load the page in the backend. And if you see, account name is updated, and I've got my address here. Yep. Thank you very much for your time.